Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable insights. Today, let's talk about the significance of nominees in mutual fund investments. In India, the inclusion of a nominee in mutual funds was mandated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, Circular Number SEBI IMD CIR Number 4168-30/09 dated 30th June 2009. Funds, aligning with Section 39 of the Companies Act, 2013. Nomination ensures that in the event of the investor's demise, a nominated individual receives the mutual fund units. This nomination simplifies the transmission process, averting potential complications. This nomination process streamlines the transmission of units to the nominee, preventing complexities during a difficult time. How does this matter? Well, nominating someone ensures a smoother transition of your mutual fund holdings to your chosen nominee in unforeseen circumstances. Investors are now required to nominate someone, easing the process of unit transfer in case of an unfortunate event. That's it for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial insights. Investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. This video is only for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before making any decision.